Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to be taking a look at our 2019 42-foot Boston Whaler Outrage. This boat has a hull color that's called platinum. The bottom has not yet been painted. What we'll do is walk through and I'll show you some of the options. From the outside we can see it does have the tow bits forward. Has a windlass. Boat does have the boarding door in the side. Outriggers. This boat does have electronics. Let's go inside and take a look. As we enter the 42-foot Boston Whaler, you'll see many of the features. It does have a fold-down aft seat with a boarding ladder under it, which goes in the door and locks in for swimming. It also has a transom walk-through door. This boat does have the kitchen out back, the seat that comes up on top of it and flips over. Does have a freezer, an ice maker, a retractable sunshade that comes out of the top. There are 3 rod holders on each side, on each aft hardtop leg. Boat has 3 helm seats across. Obviously the helm is air conditioned. There is a standing platform that falls down. This particular boat does have 3 16-inch Raymarine GPS plotter fish finders, active trim, has a Mercury smart gauges. This is a joystick boat with sky hook. Does have a spotlight, Lenco trim tabs. You'll see the new style push button switches, helm air conditioning. This boat does have the Seakeeper. As we walk forward on the boat, you'll see it does have lounge seating, has a table. The backrests come up forward. There's speakers, cup holders, stereo. The table is electronic. There is storage under the seat. There are armrests that fold down. Full windshield. This boat does have night vision as well as track vision. Just a beautiful boat with a lot of storage, several speakers, very well thought out, very nimble. Even though they're covered up, this is a quad 350 Verado boat with white motors. There's a live well in the back. As we walk inside, plenty of seating. Table comes up. Galley. TV. Has a head with a sink. There is a shower. Very nicely appointed. The helm seat is electric. There are jump seats on either side for fishing. This is just a quick walkthrough of our 42 Boston Whaler Outrage. Give us a call and we will give you more details. Thank you very much.